Hey everybody, just wanted to show you our latest listing here at Paseo. I know I don't usually do these at night, but this is such a pretty property at night I wanted to show you. In the day photos, you'll see you're right at the end of the cul-de-sac here. And this awesome floor plan gives you a single car garage for your little sports car or golf cart, and then another 2-car garage. This home is so pretty. It's built by stock, so it's all top of the line finishes. And you take what stock offers and you maximize it, and that's what you have here. This home has been barely lived in, and it's offered turnkey furnished. So what you see is what you get. All sorts of really nice furnishings you'll see throughout. So we'll go through that, but here's the front powder room. As we go along, you'll see every bedroom has an ensuite bath, which is super nice. Lots of storage. The owners made some nice structural changes. So it's really top of the line. This is the best of the best you can get here in Paseo. This door goes to the garage. Look at that. There's even a Trek bicycle. And come on. So nice. So you can see there that gorgeous view. We'll go take a look at that in a second. But here is the office. Look at all this really high-end lighting throughout. This furniture all came from very nice places, like we've got Restoration Hardware, we've got Z-Gallerie. I think that table over there came from Crate and Barrel. So many nice custom features. Got the granite backsplash that goes all the way up. And the blinds are all pulled up right now, but they're Hunter Douglas. They're super nice because you can change them to normal. They can be blackout, combination thereof. So nice. So look at this custom kitchen. You've got the drawers under there. We've got a wine fridge here. Great floor plan for entertaining. And you can see here how meticulous these owners were. So everything is top of the line, super duper clean. Those hard to reach blinds like this one here and the one up there, those are electric. So you can actually just use the button, and you can see here, it's actually a 4-panel slider that opens all the way up. So you can really bring that indoor living outside. We'll go take a look at the Lanai in a second. But first, let's check out the master suite. So all these ceilings, look at how high. So that's an 8-foot door to give you a perspective how big it is. So you've got his and hers closets, really big. You've even got a built-in wall safe. This nice oversized tile throughout the entire home. You've got the sitting area there. And you can see here, reflection's kind of bothering it, but you can see you've got the lit fountain there. And you can see the colored pool there. And then here in the master bathroom, see you've got the custom mirrors there. They added some custom shelving here in the walk-in shower. So I'm in the shower now. Super big, very nice, top of the line. You know, a lot of these like art lighting pieces came from the Design Center down at Miromar, so super nice, top of the line. So we left these down so you could see how the blinds work. So you can see how those are, but all the other ones are up. And then we've got the Jack and Jill bathroom. And what's nice is this closes off, but then this closes off also. So if someone's taking a shower, somebody else can still be brushing their teeth or whatever. Here's the other bathroom. They added this nice workstation here. Tons of storage throughout. And this really big laundry room. Very nice. And then here is the 2-car garage. So you've got the epoxy coated floor. You've got impact glass doors and windows throughout, so you don't have to worry about, you know, when the next storm comes along. But this floor plan is really great because if you notice here on this side, I'm on one guest wing. So that had the 2 bedrooms we were just in, and then here's another one. So they converted this. This was one of the structural changes they did. Look at how huge this ceiling is. I think it's 14 feet. I have to confirm that, but really, really big. So spacious. Another ensuite bath. Nice big walk-in closet. So you have this whole guest suite. Then you've got the office that we already saw right there. And then the master suite's over there. So when you have guests, everybody's gonna have their own private area. And then last but not least, let's take a look at this Lanai area. So, there we go, that's better. So look at how big this covered area is. So that's so important here when you live in Florida, if you want to take advantage of the outdoor living. And I'll shut up for a second so you can hear this fountain. So it's awesome because it's so relaxing. You've got the pool and the hot tub, chromotherapy, nice big area over here for sunbathing. And again, this is all turnkey furnished, so it's move-in ready. You don't have to do anything. It's top of the line. So it's the best floor plan with the best finishes and the best furnishings in all of Paseo. For those of you who aren't familiar with Paseo, check out my other video with the amenities. We've got a lot of famous names that live in here, so this is definitely a great community and an amazing house. So if you have any questions about this or any other homes here in Paseo or throughout Southwest Florida, please be sure to give me a call, and don't forget to always ask for Elisa.